This is Joey with Down Dirt Best Trailers. Did it again. I've done this 3 times. This is Joey with Best Trailers. This is a Down Dirt trailer with a special option I'm going to show you here today. It's got the extra wide ramps on the rear. Now these are spring assisted. This comes in really handy if you ever loaded a lawnmower or something like that with smaller wheels. If you ever loaded one on an equipment trailer, you know how handy these are. Um, Spring assisted, so it takes the weight out. Still using the same system. That way you have a full ramp all the way across. Still great for loading tractors, cars, any kind of equipment you want to put on there. And like I said, the small wheels equipment as well. That's down to earth is standard with the LED lights all the way around and the sealed wiring harness. This is a 20-foot model. It's got the 5,200-pound axles underneath it. All the down to earth will also have the spare tire mount on the front. And the setback 7,000-pound jack with the adjustable coupler. They use treated 2x8 wood flooring on it, as well as a powder-coated frame.